Your husband snores every night. That sound is a blocked throat. Snoring is the sound air fighting its way through a narrow space. Something's in the way. Could be soft tissue, could be the tongue falling back, or where the jaw sits. When it gets bad enough, that's the brain nudging you to awake to breathe. That's sleep apnea. It doesn't always mean apnea, but it always means something is squeezing the airway. Wives ask me about this at the front desk all the time. Your dentist can see it before any sleep test. If you're in pain and need real answers, tap the link in our bio and request a complimentary 3D holistic relief and treatment plan.